Welcome. In front of me is a NEFFOS X9, and today I will show you how to transfer photos. Now you can transfer them from SD card or from the phone to another, so basically from the phone to SD card and vice versa. And to do it, we want to open up, not whatever I clicked on, open up Files app. So just go into the app drawer and you will see File Manager, so right here, and basically every phone has it. So from here, find wherever you have your photo or image or basically album, whatever you want to transfer. For me, it's located in the SD card. I already moved it there. And mind you that, for instance, when you're copying it from internal storage, you will have a folder called DCIM, and it can also be located on the SD card, as long as you have saved it basically SD card as the default save location for, let's say, images that you take with your camera. So that's basically would be the name of the folder where all the photos from camera are being stored. And if you have photos in here, you can just hold this, like this entire folder, and then select move or copy, whichever one you choose. But I'm gonna go back to my image. So my image is just single image for easy access, and it's located in the main area of the SD card. And all I did is just hold the image that I want to move till it gets selected, as you can see. And then you have two options, either copy or move. Copy will basically create a copy that you can move to a specific location while keeping the original where it is. And I'm gonna select move, so it actually gets moved from the SD card to the device. And as you can see, you have two options. You can move it to an SD card, would basically move it to a different location on the SD card, or the internal storage. So I'm gonna select the phone storage. And from here, you can just select where you want to move it. You can put it in, let's say, DCIM, where the photos are located, to downloads, or just move it to the general location of everything. So like right here, basically the same way it was on the SD card. And now if I go back to the main storage area, you will see it right on the bottom, right where it can be viewed. So that is basically how you would move photos. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.